Okay, now there we go. As you can see, about to start the car. This is the key that I'm about to start the car, getting it into the ignition, switching on the ignition. Okay, the steering is locked. I need to turn it. I'm using one hand here. Let me just, all right, the ignition now, it's on. As you can see, most of the things are working fine. Yeah, that is the ignition now. I'll be trying to start to crank it. I told you already that it cranks but does not start. I don't know, probably you can start now, but you know how cars are. As you can hear, it cranks and not start. It cranks and not start. Switching it off. Let me see, switching it on again. It cranks and does not start, and the battery is almost gone. Now from here we need to deduce and find out what can be the possible challenge